Right here I have the Hiking snowboard and ski vices to help you tune your snowboard and skis. This is absolutely amazing and you guys want to check out all the features that make this so great. Okay, so we have a lot of great features jam-packed within this vise. First off, we're going to have rubber on the ends of these extension arms that are going to secure the snowboard in place, and that's really going to help your board just stay nice and safe, not scratched up. Now, I love this whole setup because it keeps it very stable. We actually have rubber grips on the backing here, so that's going to hold it in place, which really helps whenever you are scraping your board or your skis. It keeps everything nice so it won't move. These are also extendable, so this does go up to a decent size in the front and the rear, so you can give yourself a little bit of wiggle room and then just secure that. And we do have locks. Now let's take a look at some of the other features that really help this stand out. So right here we have a 45-degree angle that helps to place the board to do a lot of edge work and just give it a really nice lean to make this a lot easier when you are tuning your board or your skis. Now with that 45-degree angle, that's going to help me really get onto the edges here so I can tune this, deburr them, and just make this look amazing. We also have a 90-degree as well, so you can just shove that in and you can see how secure this actually is. And we're gonna have padding going all the way throughout here. It's like a rubberized silicone, so it's really gonna protect your edges to make sure you're not gonna dull them while you are keeping them sharp. I do love that you can put this at a 90-degree. It is really nice. All right, so as we take a closer look, this is absolutely amazing. This is gonna be made with a high quality metal. I have used other sets that are made of plastic, so this is gonna be very durable and sturdy. I definitely love this above other ones that I have used. This is the extension, and you also get a lock here so you can secure that into place wherever you want. And these grips on the top really hold your board because it has that like shiny material on the board, and this is like a rubberized, keeps it locked in. It makes working on your board so much easier. I love how this is just so protective. You can see it's kind of like a foamy, and on this side we're also going to be able to loosen this and open it up as well, so you're going to have a lot of adjustability. For skis, all you have to do is loosen this up, and you can actually pull this piece right here, which a lot of these vices don't have this. So as you pull that up, I'm doing this one hand, as you pull that up, you can have an extension here. So then being able to pull this out fits a wide ski as well. And you can really lock that ski in place. Most of the time you're gonna have the vices that aren't gonna have this little extension piece, so they're gonna wobble around. This makes it a lot easier to secure that down. Now we look on the bottom, it is adjustable. And again, you get that like silicone rubber on the bottom. This opens up a decent amount so you can fit this wherever you want. Again, we're going to have a ton of high quality metal in here that's going to keep this stable, and then also where this sits on the actual base, it's going to protect it too. So I have this on my really nice countertops on my kitchen counter, and I know it's not going to scratch it up. And as you lock this down, I'm tugging this and this thing is staying in place perfectly. I highly recommend this set if you're looking for some new tuning vices for your snowboard and skis. These are amazing and probably the best I've ever seen. I love these, highly recommend them. Add them to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.